Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. In this video we will explore the world of elegant mother of the bride dresses. Whether you are a mother of the bride or a groom, or if you are helping someone special in your life find the perfect dresses for this momentous occasion, you are in the right place. So join us as we showcase a wide range of stunning mother of the bride dresses, providing you with the inspiration and tips to make this important decision a breeze. From classic and timeline design to modern and trendy options, we have already got you covered. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our fashion and wedding related content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section and we will be happy to assist you. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, your son or daughter's wedding is a momentous occasion and we are here to help you look and feel your best on this special day. Let's dive into the world of mother of the bride dresses and make this experience memorable and stress. So my beautiful viewers, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, Russian woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So if you are a mother of the getting ready to celebrate your child's wedding, you are in the right place. From classic style outfits to modern design, we will showcase a variety of stunning dresses that will make you feel confident and beautiful on the big day. We will share expert advice on how to choose the perfect mother of the bride dresses, including tips on color selection, dresses length and style options to match the wedding theme. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. And my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future. We have created a list of top online retailers and boutiques where you can find these gorgeous dresses, making your shopping experience a breeze. So join us in this video as we celebrate the role of mother of the bride and help you find the dresses that suit your personal style and the wedding aesthetic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration for life's special moments. So join us as we explore the latest trend, style and tips to help you choose the ideal dresses for your daughter's big day. From classic and timeline design to modern and chic option, we have got you covered. Our fashion expert will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting your outfit, including color coordination, fabric choices and the importance of the comfort. Whether you prefer a long flowing gown or a knee-length dresses with delicate details, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style.